You don't need an appointment, and you don't need to be a techie to set up and activate your Midco cable TV services. To get started, you should have a Midco HD digital adapter, a remote with 2 AA batteries, a power cord, a Coax cable, and an HDMI cable. You'll also need your in-home TV. You should make note of your HD digital adapter serial number found on the bottom of your equipment. Start by connecting the coax cable to an active cable wall outlet and then to the cable in connection on your digital adapter. Then connect the HDMI cable from the HDMI connection on your digital adapter to an HDMI connection on your HDTV. Next, plug the power cord into your digital adapter and then into an electrical outlet. If your power outlet can be turned off by a light switch, be sure the switch is set to on. Make sure all connections are finger tight. The next step, turn on your TV and make sure the volume is on. Using your TV remote, change the TV input setting to the proper HDMI input you use to connect the HD digital adapter. When you see the light blinking in a sequence of 2 blinks and 1 pause, it's time to begin activation. On a computer or mobile device, go to midco.com/cabletv-support. Under Activate Your Equipment, enter the serial number for your digital adapter and select Activate Now. You'll know your digital adapter is activated when the light on the front of the box is lit solid and no longer blinking. If you're having trouble, here's some things to try. If your digital adapter light continues to blink, try connecting to a different cable wall outlet. Not all home outlets are active. Repeat the activation step again each time you try a different cable wall outlet. If you've tried multiple outlets and still can't connect, contact Midco support. After your HD digital adapter is activated, confirm that a TV picture shows and that your channel lineup and on-screen guide are loading. This may take up to 15 minutes. Last, use your remote's user guide to program your Midco remote control for your TV power and volume. Now it's time to enjoy your favorite shows. If you have questions, need troubleshooting help, or other support, visit midco.com/cabletv-support. Here, you can find cable TV resources, more self-installation help, and how to reach our customer care team via chat, text, social media, and phone.